A laser engraving machine is a piece of equipment that performs laser engraving, which is the process of engraving designs, letters or numbers on materials using a laser beam. There are many products available to choose laser engraving machine, each product with different benefits, features and prices. To help you make an accurate decision, I've done much research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best laser engraving machine from reputable brands. After a lot of research, I found these products for people like you. If you need to know about the price and other information, don't forget to check my descriptions. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Scalpfun S9 Laser Engraving Machine. Scalpfun S9 Laser Engraver uses the latest 5.5-watt laser beam shaping technology diode laser. It has an ultra-fine 0.06 into 0.06 mm sharp laser focus, with super cutting penetration and precision. The laser cutter and engraving machine are equipped with a very convenient power switch, which is not available in others. The laser filter cover filters 98% of the UV light to the eyes. You can watch laser engraving without wearing goggles. The laser engraving machine full metal structure design makes the machine extremely solid, and it improves the accuracy of engraving. The whole structure is designed for easy assembly, and the assembly can be completed in 10 to 20 minutes. The S9 laser engraving combines a fixed focus lens and a sliding design. You only need to slide the laser and tighten the screws to complete the focusing. This makes it very easy to use the laser. Number 4. Niji 3 Metal Carving Laser Engraver. The updated Niji 3 laser engraving and cutting machine is the 4th generation desktop portable engraving machine based on Niji Master 2, and Niji Master 2's iteration. The 4th generation Niji 3 series optimizes the mechanical, precision, and control system usability to the top. The frame structure adopts CNC technology, precise assembly and balanced structural design, ensuring the accuracy of the XY axis directions and carving quality. Equipped with MEMS sensing protection as standard, you can set appropriate vibration protection functions to ensure safe operation in case of unexpected vibration and displacement. Supports door safety sensor expansion, emergency stop button, safety door, flame detection and other safety expansion functions. You only need to tighten 4 screws to start working with very simple assembly. Automatic reset, one key start, wireless offline function combined with software operation, allow you to freely create anywhere. Niji software and apps can achieve photo engraving, text engraving, and wireless transmission of engraving files in just one step, allowing you to create diverse works without professional engraving knowledge. Number 3. Luux Laser Engraver K6. The Luux Laser Engraver K6 Mark Printer Cutter Woodworking Machine is a cutting-edge piece of equipment that is perfect for anyone who wants to bring their creative ideas to life. With a powerful 3000 mW laser, this machine can effortlessly etch intricate designs onto a variety of surfaces, including wood, leather, paper, and more. One of the most exciting features of the Luux Laser Engraver K6 Mark Printer Cutter is its Bluetooth connectivity, which makes it incredibly easy to operate. Simply connect the machine to your phone or tablet, and you can control it remotely using the Luux app. This app provides a wide range of design templates and editing tools, allowing you to create custom designs with ease. In addition to its impressive capabilities, the Luux Laser Engraver K6 Mark Printer Cutter is also incredibly easy to use. With its powerful laser, easy-to-use app, and versatile capabilities, this machine is a must-have for anyone who wants to take their craft to the next level. Number 2. Trees TTS55 Pro Laser Engraver. This is TTS55 Pro upgraded version of TTS55. TTS55 Pro laser module uses the latest LD plus FAC plus C lens compression spot technology. Fixed focus, focal length is only 23 mm, compared with other long focus lasers. Short focus laser has stronger engraving and cutting ability. Engraving accuracy 0.1 mm. The motherboard adopts 32-bit dual-core MCU, which has a faster processing speed, and the engraving speed can reach 10,000 mm per minute. Laser can engrave online and TF card offline engraving. Due to the built-in Wi-Fi module, you can also use the mobile phone app and computer web for engraving. TTS55 laser can engrave wood, plastic, paper, leather, bamboo, sponge paper, alumina, stainless steel, chevron board, acrylic, glass, etc. Use Laser GRBL or Lightburn. It's the most popular paid carving software in the world, very easy to use. Supports Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 1. Dodge Laser Engraving Machine. Dodge DJ6 is one of the hottest engraving machines in the market today. The aluminum and ABS materials make DJ6 more robust and lightweight, which can be moved around. Equipped with 3000 mW laser head module, DJ6 has faster and stronger engraving efficiency. Equipped with anti-slip legs to avoid unintentional collision caused by the movement, DJ6 is able to carve steadily and smoothly. You can enjoy engraving time due to built-in eyes protection lens and cooling fans. The laser engraving machine can sculpture your desired picture and logo on various materials. It is able to engrave on papers, craft papers, woods, ceramics, leathers, plastic, bamboos, painted metal, etc. The laser engraving machine can be connected in several different methods. It supports Windows system. You can also connect DJ6 via your mobile and use self-developed mobile app to engrave photo and logo you want. Without PC or mobile, offline engraving mode is available. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos regularly, so do subscribe my channel. You can check the description for more details or price about these products. For any kind of problem or complaint, you can comment us. Please, stay updated with our channel, as it will make your life much more easier and enjoyable. Thanks for watching.